So I hope that you've watched my video about my newest Linux computer build. The build itself was pretty simple. I also ended up taking my Linux hard drive out of the old computer, put it in the new one, tested it out. Long story short, didn't quite work. For whatever reason, the operating system kept kind of glitching and wasn't completely working right, so I took another solid state drive and put Windows 10 on it, put it in that computer, and it worked pretty much seamlessly. And so I think there's something either wrong with the Linux operating system install, or there is something wrong with that solid state drive. Either way, doesn't matter. I took it and put Windows 10 in there, and from that point on, I just went ahead and created my home server using Windows 10 Home Edition. I would have much rather have used Windows 2016 or 2019 Server Edition rather than the Windows 10 Home Edition. At least the next best thing would have been the Pro, but I didn't have a license for Windows 10 Pro, so I just made home work. This playlist here, to get, after a long intro there, this playlist is specifically to show you how to set up your hard drives, connect Windows 10 and Mac computers, and how to set up Veeam backups to basically build your own in-house server. So follow these videos and let's get started.